Hi guys, this is Shyam. I hope you guys are safe and sound. Right now, in these difficult times, we are moving on towards our lives, towards our goal, and towards our jobs. But you're forgetting a part of society which has to make a decision for the career. For them, I have made a list down of jobs which is readily available in the market, which is really high paying, and jobs which really matter. We'll just see them one by one. But before that, if you still haven't got my notification for this video, do subscribe my channel, and if possible, do press the bell icon nearby so you can get an instant notification for this video. So we'll go into it. Number 10, we have machine learning professional. The main focus of machine learning is to help organizations enhance their overall function, productivity and decision making process by delving into the vast amount of data reserves. As a machine begin to learn through algorithms, it will help business to unravel such pattern within the data that can help them make better decisions without the need for human intervention. To make your career grow as a machine learner engineer, earn the highest possible machine learning salary in India, you need to have update yourself with statistics and probability. Your understanding of algorithms has a lot to do with your knowledge of theories. If you aren't good at statistics and probability, you will find this algorithm very difficult to understand. The demand for machine learning is high, but companies require individuals to have the correct skill set. The demand for these engineers are always very high. The list is endless. That's the primary reason machine learning salaries in India is quite high. The higher ever demand. Additionally, the better the experience, the higher the salary. And they normally make around 20 lakhs in a year. List we have cybersecurity professionals. At a my high level, cybersecurity professional responsible for protecting IT infrastructure, edge devices, networks, and data. More gradually, they are responsible for preventing data breaches and monitoring and breaches to attack. Many have backgrounds as programmers and system or network administrator and in math and statistics. Those skills are undoubtedly relevant to the role of an IT security professional, but equal as critically to the things that aren't necessarily taught, critical thinking, curiosity, and a passion for learning and research. New security threats pop up all the time, and IT security professionals need to be stay to update with the latest tactic hackers are employing in the field. In addition to the high level responsibilities, some duties are exceptional. And cybersecurity professionals should be able to proactively implement security measures and control within their organization. Because new methods to hack information and continually developing, and professional must be step ahead studying how the hackers enter network and procedures for thwarting them. Management and communication skill ensure effective coordination with teams and clients. Technology and security touch every professional in an organization, and highly skilled security professionals are in high demand. No organization is immune to cybercrime, meaning that all need to make IT security a top priority. The first step is finding the most qualified professional to lead the way. And the normal earning is around 25 to 30 lakhs per annum. Next on the list, we have marketing professionals. Marketing job descriptions should attract professionals who are familiar with a variety of marketing techniques and menus. They should have an eye for branding, instinctively understanding customer behavior, and should be able to exploit the data that proves a particular marketing strategy. Marketing professionals often interact with clients from a variety of industries, so a pleasing personality, patience, and organization skills are very important. They should rank high in reading comprehension and be active and engaging listeners with good detective listener skills. Most marketing roles and responsibilities include working with teams to tackle specific projects in a corporate or advertising agency environment. Marketing professionals can be a freelancer or solo entrepreneurs working from home. And a marketing professional must be a language proficient and a skilled communicator across a variety of platforms. Business and industry knowledge is a plus, and customer service skills are mandatory. Understanding media production methods, including visual, oral, written, and other methods, are also very important. They normally typically spend long hours in front of a computer or a telephone, and they make a gradually around 15 to 25 lakhs in a year. Plus, we have artificial intelligence professionals. Automation, robotics, and use of sophisticated computer software and programs characterize a career in artificial intelligence. Candidates interested in pursuing jobs in this field require specific education based on foundations of math, technology, logic, and engineering perspectives. Written and verbal communication skills are also very important to convey how artificial intelligence tools and services are effectively employed within industry settings. To acquire these skills, those with an interest in AI career should investigate the various career choices available within the field. Now, what see the educational requirements for careers in artificial intelligence? Normally, it's a basic computer technology and math background form the backbone of most artificial intelligence program. Entry level positions require at least a bachelor degree, while positions entailing supervisor, leadership, or administrative roles frequently require master's or doctor's degree. A career in artificial intelligence can be realized within a variety of settings, including private companies, public organizations, education, the arts, healthcare facility, government agencies, and the military. Some positions may require security clearance prior to hiring, depending on the sensitivity of information employees may be expected to handle. And normally, what they get is around 26 lakhs in a year. Next on the list, we have chartered accountants. Normally, chartered accountancy has been one of the most popular career choices in India. This profession is not easy to get into, but if you manage to do so, it offers a great career path, salary, respect among people. One of the reasons why people respect chartered accountants is not because of the designation or pay, it is mainly because it's not easy to become one. The path to become a chartered accountant or CA is tough. Like that, chartered accountants work in all fields of business and finance, including auditing, taxation, financial, and general management. Some are engaged in public practice work, other work in private sector, some are employed by the government bodies. Chartered accountants are always high in demand in the sector mentioned above. You can either work for a business or an organization and help manage their accounts, finances, taxation, or auditing. You can also work independently and offer your services to anybody who seeks it. And financial institutions are also always on the lookout for skilled chartered accountants. And they get an average of 15 to 20 lakhs in a year. Next on the list, we have commercial pilots. Many people are misinformed what a commercial pilot is. They assume that if someone is a commercial pilot, they are an airline pilot. Commercial pilots can be cargo pilots, tour pilots, or backcountry pilots. They can be a flight instructor, ferry pilots, or glider tow pilots. A commercial pilot is simply one who is allowed by FAA to charge money for services. To fly a regularly scheduled passenger service or to fly for an airline, you will also need to gain the additional requirements for those specific jobs. If you are interested in becoming a commercial pilot, don't be intimidated by thoughts of becoming an airline pilot training. Commercial pilot applicants must be at least around 18 years old, be able to speak, read and write and understand English, and hold at least a private pilot certificate. Most common reason people can't begin their commercial training is a lack of experience. A pilot needs at least 250 hours to earn a commercial pilot license. And they normally earn around 16 to 20 lakhs in a year. On the list, we have software engineers. Software engineers are always in high demand. Developers that live in high demand areas often receive many inquiries a month from recruiters and headhunters. A software engineer applies mathematical analysis and principles of computer science in order to design and develop computer software. There are many types of software that a software engineer can develop, such as in operating systems, computer games, middleware, business applications, and network control systems. Changes in technology and new areas of specialization keeps this profession evolving at rapid pace. Software engineers must also possess interpersonal skills and must be able to deliver and effectively communicate with users in order to train, test, debug software all the way to the end product. They are often involved from the early stages of software planning right through the testing, development, training, and support stages. Normally, there is a lot of investment going on into the software engineering in the moment due to increased reliance on the mobile technology, venture capital backed startups, and growing complexity of technology. The demand for skilled and qualified software engineers seems to have no end. This demand is strengthened by the change economy landscape and fueled by the need for technology evaluation. They normally earn around 21 to 25 lakhs per annum. That's within a year. On the list, we have investment bankers. An investment banker job description can include a variety of duties. Investment bankers help their clients raise money in capital markets by issuing debt or selling equity in the companies. The education requirements are not particularly rigid. While an MBA is a popular designation in the field, many investment bankers have only bachelor degrees and few even have less than that. This is one of the few careers in which 22-year-old with nothing but a bachelor degree can earn well into six figures in his first year of school. Moreover, investment banking often serves as a springboard to even lucrative and prestigious careers such as venture capital, private equity, and wealth management. Knowing their pitches are well received by hungry finance students, the big Wall Street banks recruit heavily. And investment bankers conduct many jobs for their clients. At some firms, each individual banker wears many hats, while at others, employees are specialized with different bankers performing different jobs. At the crux of every investment banking role is raising more money for clients. This is primarily done in two ways. issuing debt and selling equity in the company. They normally earn around 25 lakhs per annum. That's in a year. On the list, we have data scientists. Data scientists are a big data wranglers gathering and analyzing large sets of structured and unstructured data. A data scientist role combines computer science, statistics, and mathematics. They analyze, process, and model data, then interpret the results to create actionable plans for companies and other organizations. Data scientists are analytical experts who utilize their skill in both technology and social science to find trends and manage data. They use industry knowledge, contextual understanding, skepticism of existing assumption to uncover solution to business challenges. A data scientist's work typically involves making sense of messy, unstructured data from sources such as smart devices, social media feeds, and emails that don't really fit into a database. Technical skills are not only the only thing that matters, however, data scientists often exist in business settings and are charged with communicating complex ideas and making data driven organization decisions. As a result, it is highly important for them to be effective communicators, leaders, team members, as well as high level analytical thinkers. Experienced data scientists and data managers typically have over 10 years of experience and are tasked with developing a company's best practices for cleaning to processing and storing the data. And you will need at least a bachelor degrees in data science, mathematics, statistics, computer science to get your foot in the door as an entry level data scientist. However, if you received a bachelor degrees in a different field, you may need to focus on developing skills needed for the job through online short courses or boot camps. And they normally earn around 30 lakhs in a year. And at the top, we have the most respected and sought out profession, the doctors and the surgeons. We have seen the importance of doctors in this pandemic and we are forever grateful for that. The role of the doctor within the healthcare system has changed and will continue to change. Societies need to understand not only what the doctors can do but can also be done by other members of the team. Doctors have a duty to society as a whole to examine the accountability and not to continue blindly to do what has always been done. Only once the doctor role has been defined and can be processed and content of medical education can be defined to produce the person equipped to fulfill the future role. The job description for surgeons varies depending on what environment they're practicing in. Many surgeons find themselves in a multi-faced career that allows to put their skills to good use in a combination of workplace settings. Although the workplace settings may vary, one factor remains the same. The surgical professional is one of the responsibility and leadership. The surgeon is responsible for the pre-operative diagnosis of the patient, for performing the operation, and for providing the patient with pre-operative and surgical care and treatment. A surgeon is also looked upon as a leader of the surgical team. During the course of any operation, the surgeon must make important decisions about the patient's health, safety, and welfare. Furthermore, the surgeon must work to ensure the cooperation among other members of the surgical team, which typically includes another surgeon or qualified person who acts as a surgeon assistant, the anesthesiologist, and operating room nurses. The average earning per year is around 25 to 30 lakhs per annum. Hey guys, that's it for today. So if you really like the video, down below the video you can see a vertical thumb sign. You can just go click it, and you have to say something about this. You can just go and type in the comment box, and if you want to see something more like this content, you can just go and subscribe my channel. There's a subscribe button down there, and nearby there's a bell sign. You can just go click it and you have an instant notification during my next update. Thank you guys. This is Shyam signing off.